Hi beauties, so today I'm going to be doing a look with the new Mothership palette from Pat McGrath. This is the Subversive Metalmorphosis Eyeshadow palette. I did have it in my Sephora VIP sale haul. I'll show you guys up close. This is what she looks like. There are 6 shades in here. They all are super pigmented, and I'll do a quick swatch for you. Bam. Boom. Bomb. Yeah. These are all just like fire. Like they're all so pigmented. So there are no mattes in this palette, but I do want to add one to my eyelids. So I'm going to use this Soft Glam palette from Anastasia to just add in a shade to my crease. This is the shade Sienna. So I'm just going to put that right in here so that the shadow, technically you do not need to do this, but I really just wanted this type of an eye look today, so that's what I'm doing. And I chose this palette because I know a lot of you guys do have it. You can also just use any warm medium toned brown that you have. I'm going to add a little bit of Mulberry right over this shade, but I'm going to concentrate it a little bit lower. And then just blend that in. We're just gonna blend this in and get a nice solid base. So just gonna... Alright, so the base is completely done. Now I really want to use this shade right here and this shade right here. So those are the 2 ones that I am thinking about using. I'm gonna start with the golden shade first, and oh my gosh, the pigment, the color. This is literally just like, wow. Absolutely beautiful. It's so stunning, you guys. Like, I can't even. I can't believe how, wow, I'm so impressed. I don't even have a shade that shows up like that. Like, this shade showed up to work. This color is literally amazing. I'm just gonna go back in to blend this together. This brush. So I'm gonna go back with the Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to bring Mulberry down here as well. So now I'm going to use the purple shade and just apply that over Mulberry. I'm so impressed. Like, this looks so good, you guys. Like, I'm gonna do one more shade. I didn't realize I had room for more, but I do. So I'm gonna take the first shade in the palette. So I'm gonna take this shade right here, the first shade, and apply that to my inner corner. So I'm gonna just pop that right in here. A little bit different, but I'm gonna layer it with a little bit of the yellowy gold color, just so that it matches my lid a little bit more. Alright, I'm going to throw in some lashes real quick. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to use the NYX Let's Get Physical Lip Tease product. This is this right here. This is it for the eyeshadow look with the palettes. I do enjoy the palette. I think it's a bomb palette, and the pigmentation is out of this world. I feel like my hair looks a little runway-esque right now, like Pat McGrath on the runway. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!